Don't eat it yet. Don't eat them yet. You will get to eat it though.
Dad, stay with your color behind one of these noodles. Stay with your color behind one of these noodles.
Red!
Red!
Red, yellow will be in the middle.
Red! Rojo!
Right there.
Red!
That's right.
Red!
Red!
Don't eat it yet.
Right there.
Red! I know, self-discipline. Don't. Red! 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 Do it.
Guys in the middle.
Red! Red!
Red.
Rojo!
Orange is over here.
That people I haven't even met.
Orange, yellow, red.
No, the way I act.
Red! Red!
No, like people I just met.
Orange
People I
over
just
here.
met.
Orange over here.
And I can't. What? No, they think that
Orange over here.
a lot of people.
Last noodle. What's up?
We get 3 hours. Whenever I'm there. Did you get one?
I know, it says LeBron.
Try help back.
Oh, sorry.
You can eat that once you're in your group. Sit down.
Do I get a yellow one now?
Alright. Hi everyone. You're Follow the Leader. I'm Megan.
I'm Adam.
I'm Hannah.
And I'm Frank.
And today we're going to dive into the ocean with Nemo and his friends. For our event, you're going to be participating in 3 activities that are going to help you with teamwork skills and communication skills. The first event is going to be a memory game, and then we'll go to a relay and an obstacle course. Adam's going to start off by explaining the memory game first.
Okay, so for the memory game, it's Dory's memory game. We're going to help her because she has a horrible memory. We're going to help her put a puzzle together. So the game, it's going to be similar to something we did earlier in the year where there's a set puzzle and you have all the pieces. You're going to work as a team to put it together. So we're going to have 2 to 3 swimmers from each group. They're going to be able to walk from their team to the table telling their team how to put together the puzzle. So we're going to give 7 minutes, and whoever finishes first will be the winner, or whoever has, at the end of 7 minutes, is finished the most and most correct will be the winner. So yeah, so right now, if there's any questions, no? All right, yes?
Is everybody allowed to talk?
Yeah, you can talk. All right, so
The
right.
swimmers are going to stop at the...
Yeah. So we're gonna have like the
You're all
boundaries
gonna
of
be
these
behind
noodles.
it.
So if you're not the swimmer walking back and forth, you need to be on the other side of the noodles.
Wants to be swimmer. I don't want to be a swimmer. You can have 2 to 3 depending on what your team wants.
And you guys can pick a team name also. Pick a Finding Nemo team name.
Nemo. Okay, just kidding, we're Crush. Crush.
Jaws.
And the swimmers...
Bruce.
Alright, the swimmers can stand up.
Oh, we're down a fish.
Thank you.
So we got 3 swimmers here. 2 swimmers. 2 swimmers.
2 swimmers.
2, 2, and 3. Okay.
Yeah.
If you want to make a swimming motion, you can do it. Let's try to avoid hitting each other. Let's try and make it organized here. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go.
Let's go. Go, you go.
There's 6 bubbles. Correct.
Other 2 the same note.
And then jellyfish. Emily. Jellyfish or. Jellyfish.
Take all those seaweeds.
Red shark.
Alright, now there's going to be 2 crabs. Oh, he goes right above there. There should be a green and a pink crab. Green crab or red, right? Pink crab goes from left.
Jellyfish.
No, there should be a pink jellyfish that's really long.
Yeah, facing down just like that.
There should be a purple and a pink player too.
The purple one goes
Seahorse.
Three and a half minutes left. 3.5 minutes.
Where's the
That little dude who ate Starfish from left, seahorse from right.
And then just
The brown seahorse goes in that empty gap. Green starfish goes all the way down.
No, I lied.
There should be 2 sharks left. They're going to be outside of the bottom.
Done? Alright, we're checking there first.
You guys got it?
Good job, guys.
You still got like a minute.
All right, thank you.
Team scores. Team scores. What's up?
Sean. Sean. Pink shell.
Yeah.
Purple. There should be a purple fish left. Purple fish. He goes right there. This guy goes right
Pink, blue, yellow shell.
Get there.
Pink over there. Blue. Should be good. No, the seahorse goes in the tree.
Who's this guy?
Yeah, check what they've done.
Linger.
just gotta get in.
Alright, you guys all like just sit down again.
Oh no, he goes above the yellow seashell. He goes above the yellow.
Whoa. Alright, go ahead.
Alright guys, good job. Now that we've helped Dory figure out what her puzzle was, we're gonna swim on over to the gym to help Nemo find his friends. So everyone, let's get up and let's start swimming.
Do you want us to put this in the middle?
You can leave those down.
Are we supposed to swim?
Everyone has to swim. Swim. Whatever stroke you want.
This is my go to battle. Yeah, right.
That was a safety. Backstroke. Backstroke.
Find your team on this side of the gym and just line up. Right side of the gym. Group up with your team. Just float up.
Okay, now that we come to Dory, we are going to do our relay race. Just keep swimming. So we're going to help Nemo find his friends. Frank will help me demonstrate here. To start out, you're going to hop in the potato sack, just like they did in the movie when they were in their little bags escaping from the dentist office. You're going to hop all the way down to the bottom. Go through the fluid, which are your jellyfish. You're going to balance on the jellyfish. You will crab walk, whichever way you want to crab walk. And then you'll see scooters at the end. They're all the way down to your feet. Please be careful, don't run over your fingers. Keep your hands up somewhere. And then it will look like that. If we're going to swim to the right, at the point of the relay is you're going to say to Nemo's friends. So the first person on your team is going to go through the relay. They're going to look at the list that we have taped on the wall. First, say the first character on their story. They're going to read it. They're going to speak it down. Tell the second person on the team, okay, Dory was number one on the list. That person will go far behind you in their marching team. They'll find Dory, take her through the relay with them, and grab her the fifth goal at the end. Look who's next on the list. Remember that person and then come back and keep it. Once the last person is brought, the last character down, they're going to scoot her back. And then we'll keep them down. Just carefully.
Yeah, only one at a time. So you're only going to be, for the first person, you're not going to have anything until you go to the end. Remember it, one at a time, come down and tell them. So you're only going to be having those in your hand on your way to the list. When you're dropping off. When you're coming back, you should never have to carry them. No, we'll bring them and get back. We're going to bring the scooters back to the team.
Does everyone understand?
One person at a time. Yeah, one person at a time.
Alright, are we all ready?
Ready? Set, swim.
Quick feet, there you go. Count.
And people might have to go multiple times. There's 9 teams on the list. No, they do.
Come on, finish strong! Finish strong, Foster!
Let's go!
Watch your fingers!
How many people do you have left? How many people are left?
Bridget, did you see who's next?
I didn't see her.
I didn't see her look at it. I didn't know. She just got to the party. I know. Who is it?
Let's get the girl that sang all of the fence. You guys get back good on my feet? You got Gil.
Everybody got a cheer mine.
Do it way better than blindfolded.
It's gonna be on Frank.
Put it screw there.
I think it'll still work if it's plugged in.
Everybody? I want you in your blindfolds, come over here. Right here.
With the partner?
With your partner. Don't lose them. This activity is called preliminary. Where one person is going to be blindfolded, the other one has to guide them through the race. There'll be obstacles, there'll be jellyfish, there'll be regular fish, and there'll be seaweed out there. So make sure you don't hit them. We're going to send you guys off in the lead. Okay, so pick who you want to have blindfolded. Put your blindfold on once you're ready to play. Blindfolds on. You're not allowed to touch them while you're guiding them. You can only see. No touching. Groups that are going over here, you cannot pass this red line. You gotta stay inside of the red line. All your partners should help you.